food is nouveau Fritalian.
Stick with me, I'm gonna nail my order.
Ooh, American Dad. All right, Roger. What do we got going on today? Some chocodiles, maybe a pie, something crazy like that?
Oh, please. I'll have the tuna tartare with quail egg, the duck with pear mostarda, and a glass of Prosecco.
The f*** is a pear mostarda?
I'm gonna take you on a ride. We're gonna burn the night. Why you're so salty? I'll still take a bite.
Okay, we can take my Lambo. I'll put on a tight show. You sure you can handle? We be faster than Django.
I'm gonna take you on a ride. We're gonna burn the night. Why you're so salty? I'll still take a bite.
We can take my Lambo. I'll put on a tight show. You sure you can handle? We be faster than Django.
Can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop. Okay.
I'm gonna take you on a ride. We're gonna burn the night. Why you're so salty?
You sure you can handle? Okay. We can take my Lambo. I'll put on a tight show. You sure you can handle? We be faster than Django.
Can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop. Can't stop. Can't stop.
I'm gonna take you on a ride. We're gonna burn the night. Why you're so salty? I'll still take a bite.
Okay, we can take my Lambo. I'll put on a tight show. You sure you can handle? We be faster than Django.
I'm gonna take you on a ride. We're gonna burn the night.
All in all, it came out pretty good. The pickles came out good. The pickled ginger needs a little bit more time. This sauce, the avocado tofu sauce, came out really good. And I guess we'll try raw quail eggs. How sick do you guys think I'm gonna be? No videos next week. I'll still be on the toilet.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop.
Came out really good. I normally don't eat raw quail eggs, but I like it. There's really no stipulation how the quail egg was supposed to be prepared. Is it poached? Is it raw? What kind of tuna? Aside from like, how is it prepared? So I went with like a little classic kind of thing. It's open to interpretation however you want to make it, but it turned out pretty good overall.
We can take my Lambo. I'll put on a tight show. You sure you can handle? We be faster than Django.
Can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. I can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop.
Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop, won't stop. Can't stop. Can't stop.
Pretentious level 10 out of 10. But how does it taste? This looks pretty good. I kind of don't want to eat it. This is just whatever. This is just some greens and some toasted whatchamacallits.
We can take my Lambo. I'll put on a tight show. You sure you can handle?
It's very sweet.
Django.
It's pretty sweet. It's kind of sweet. This is delicious. It's kind of on the sweet side though. If you don't really like sweet, you're not gonna like it. This skin needed to be done a little bit more. It needed to be a little bit crispier. It's a little bit too soggy. We should have had it in for like 1 more minute. But all in all, it's very delicious. Roger, you handsome devil, you've done it again. There's almost like preserves. It's almost like a slightly savory preserve kind of sauce. It's mostly sweet. And it's a little, you don't really taste like the mustard, and you don't really taste like, we put a lot of rosemary in there. You don't really taste a lot of the rosemary. I thought it was gonna taste a lot, like it smelled like rosemary, like crazy rosemary. But it doesn't taste like crazy rosemary. It tastes mostly like just peach preserves with a little bit of savory in there. This I'm not too interested in. It's just there because that's, you would get some kind of greens or something else if you were to order this at a restaurant. But this, I really was curious what this actually tasted like. Yeah, can you tell I kind of like this? If you don't like sweet stuff, you're not gonna like it though. That's the only issue. If you like duck or chicken with orange sauce, you'll like this. Like Asian food, right? So if you like that, you'll definitely like this. You'll like the pear mostarda. It's very nice. I'm glad I tried it though. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. That's it for this one. I will see you next week. Leave comments in the comment section below. Oh my god, never asked for that from the internet. Let me know what you want to see next week. I'll see you as always in the next one.
Can't stop.
Of course, Roger's got to eat a whole plate of raw food. He's flame retardant. I wonder if his butt's flame retardant too.